All right, I'm going to go through how to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. It's one of the things that we're going to be doing in your chapter or your summative test. And let's take an example of changing this improper fraction, 7 over 2. Now, if we wanted to change this into a mixed number, we would have a whole number on the left side and then a proper fraction on the right. And some of us are having a difficult time changing this into a mixed number. A lot of us can change a mixed number into a fraction because we're taking the denominator and multiplying it and adding numerator. We've got a really simple way. Anyways, I'm going to do something that freaks everyone out, and it's going to be long division. But I'm going to introduce you to the long division family. Over here, we have, right here, the dada, the mother, the sister, and the brother. That is the division family. Daddy, mother, sister, brother. With daddy, we will do the first thing. We're going to divide 7 and 2. Let's try and find out how many times 2 goes into 7. And so, daddy means division. And let's go 7 divided by 2. Now, the easiest way that we can do this is doing our multiplication chart or doing something that we did with our handout. But let's do our multiplication chart. So the multiples of 2 are times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5. So 2 times 1 is 2. Let's do this. 4, 6, 8, 10. Now we're trying to see how many times 2 goes into 7. It can go into it once, twice, 3 times. Can it go into it 4 times? No, it can't, because that's 8. That's above 7 already. It can go into it 3 times. So, daddy, division. 2 goes into 7 3 times. Now let's go to maza, is multiplication. 2 times 3 is 6. So you put the 6 right there. Then we have sister. Daddy, maza, sister is subtraction. 7 take away 6 is going to be 1. And braza is always last. Braza. This is bringing down. In trying to find improper fractions, if you come up with a remainder, you actually don't need the brother. Braza is gone because you don't need to bring down anymore. Once you're finished, you have a remainder of 1. So now your mixed number will be taking these numbers. Here's your remainder, which is your numerator. This has always been your denominator. And this is your whole number. So your whole number is 3, your numerator is 1, and denominator is 2. So if we put it here, your whole number is 3, your numerator is 1, your denominator is 2. 7 over 2 is the same as 3 and 1/2. If we draw that out, here's your halves. 7 should be shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are now shaded. And they're halves. So that's correct. Are there 3 wholes? 1, 2, 3. That's correct. And is there 1/2? Yes. So that's correct. So in order for you to do improper fractions to mixed numbers, you would have to do long division. Some of you can do this in your head. And if you can't, here's the family. Daddy, maza, sister, braza. And I made a mistake earlier. If there was a number like 70, then you would bring this down. So don't just cross out braza. Braza is also important. All right? So that's the family. If you have any questions about long division or changing improper fractions to mixed numbers, feel free to watch this video again. All right? Happy mathing.